Yeah, this is Niger Interiors. Doing it again at Commercial Avenue, Sabo, Lagos. This is a day and night blind that we just fix in one of the offices at Sabo area. In fact, they really like it. You can see a day and night blinds. We just did the work. They saw us online and they liked what we are doing. They invited us to come, and finally we have come and make them proud. So we are just making a video for you to see the outcome of this day and night blinds. This is another office. This is when the blinds is open, and this is when it's closed. Niger Interiors. Doing it again at Sabo, Yaba. Yeah, this is another office. You can see one is open and one is closed.
To my phone.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So actually, the clients that we did this job for, they were very happy. You can see my boss is smiling. That's Niger Interiors. You can reach us on www.nigerinterior.com for more inquiries. Thanks.